Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun card with the Classic Cloche bundle. Here is the Classic Cloche bundle. This super cute bundle includes the stamp set, and there are 3 stamps that layer on top of each other, as well as 3 for the birds and leaves. And then you can cut out the homes like I did here, and lots of trees, like I added the trees. And here's some slopes, so you can create a little snowy bank right there. And then of course the cloche die itself creates the cloche. And you can cut out the birds if you want the birds to be separate. So super cute. And I'm gonna show you how to create this fun card. So I love the colors Misty Moonlight and Soft Succulent together. I think they look really nice. So I've started with a Misty Moonlight base that's 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. This piece is 4 by 5 1/4 and it just gets adhered down flat. This is the Trimmings Designer Series paper. I'm just gonna double check that to make sure I got the right Designer Series paper. But I have put the paper away, so I will double check that. But you can see it's got really pretty designs on it. And then I have already cut out one of the stitched rectangle dies in Misty Moonlight, and then a cloche in the Designer Series paper. So we're going to put both of these on dimensionals, but we are going to stamp our little scene first. So I have a piece of basic white, and I'm going to start by stamping it black just to create an outline. And then I'm going to use Misty Moonlight and Pool Party to stamp the shadow, the houses and the shadow. So really cute. So we're going to start with the Memento Black ink to create our outline. And I think I'm going to do it this way. Okay, so we have a nice crisp image. And then we're going to do the Misty Moonlight for the coloring of the homes. And so that's this stamp right here. So pardon my head if it gets in the way while I try to line this up. So cute when you line it up. Love it. Okay, we're gonna keep that because we're gonna do this sentiment with that. And then I decided to use Pool Party to stamp the shadows. So this is kind of the shadows like of the snow and of the trees. And I'm gonna do, should I do full strength or should I stamp off? Let me grab a scrap piece of paper so I can decide. That's full strength and that's stamped off. So I did stamped off on this one, so it's very subtle. So I think I'm gonna try full strength on this one just to kind of see what it looks like. But I also already have one cut out. That's not full strength, so we'll be using that one. So just line this one up. And wow, that is definitely different. I think I like that better. I like the subtle better. That's a little bit too much. So now for the sentiment, I only used part of the sentiment. I wanted it to be that length so it would fit in the stitched rectangle, and unfortunately the whole sentiment is too long. I love the whole sentiment, but I chose to just do 2, joy and happiness, or you could do warmth and joy, whichever one you want. So I just inked up just that part right there, the joy, happiness, and then center that in the middle. So if you want to, you can just use the happiness or the joy separately or the warmth separately, whatever you want to do. You can create your own card, your own sentiment. And then I have cut out these snowy banks as layers here. So we're gonna put those on mini dimensionals. And I've also cut out some of the trees in soft succulent. So we've got some cute little trees here. So I'm gonna put these all on dimensional. So dimensional, 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 dimensional. Looks like I got that wet. Okay. Okay, so now that I've got this whole base layer on, I can build my little scene here, starting off with the neighborhood, the homes. And then I'm gonna do this kind of, this one right here. I don't know what to call it, this larger mound of snow. And then this smaller one, so cute. And then I'm gonna use some dimensionals to put these on. So 1, 2, 3. So this large one, I'm gonna put a dimensional on the front and just sneak it. Oh, I could do one on the back too. You could do one on the back on that one. And then these two are on the back. So just put one in between these two snowy banks here. So cute. Give it more dimension. And then the last one we'll put over here to kind of balance it out. So it is a pretty thick card. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of dimensionals, but I think it's really cute. And if you wanted to, you could use one of the Cloche shaker domes, and you could cut a hole of the shaker in the misty moonlight, and you could place this behind, and then you can encapsulate this whole thing. And of course this would be behind, so it would be covering this part right here. And then you could add some fun sequins, and you could make this a shaker card really easily, which I am going to do in my next video. So make sure you check out my next video too. So those are the Cloche shaker domes. You get 10 in a box. So that's a lot of shaker domes that you can get. And then of course, the last step is we need some ribbon. So I'm just gonna use the crinkled white seam binding. I was gonna color it with the blends, but I thought it actually looks better just white. So we're just gonna put white on there. I normally color it. And glue dot for that one. And just right up there. Very, very nice. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. Just go to my website and place your order, and then email me and let me know that you would like this Classic Cloche bundle kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other video tutorials with the Classic Cloche bundle, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for your support. I'll see you next time. Bye.